With all the dangers inherent with slate quarrying, little wonder, therefore, there was a need for a place like this, the Dinorwig Quarry Hospital. It's now a visitor centre, but someone who remembers it well is former quarry engineer Huw Jones.
Goodness me, what's this place here?
This is the operating theatre when the quarry was working.
God, look at all this stuff. What are they used for?
Yes, all the splints there for the accidents in the quarry. And these were made in the workshops. These are for the same purpose, really, but they look a bit cumbersome, but they're all right, you know, they were working all right for the accidents at the time.
Were there many accidents in the quarrying industry?
Oh, yes, quite a few accidents, you know, quite a lot, really. Minor accidents, but the major accidents, you know, they happened at times. And the worst I remember is 3 men getting killed with one fall of rock. And that was a major accident at the time, you know.
What happened then? That must have been a terrible, tragic occasion for the village.
Oh, yes, it was, you know. There's one thing about it, there's good first aid men in every gallery in the quarry. And they used to treat the men on the spot before they put them down. And when there was a major accident, death, like, you know, that people getting killed, the village knew about it in no time. And they used to have a gang of men carrying them down on stretchers to the hospital. Quite a long way down the inclines, really.
And what would happen on the day that the fatality took place?
Fatal accidents, the quarry used to stop, you know, the gallery used to stop first, then the quarry used to get to know about it, and they all went home. And the village was in mourning then, of course. They used to march across the street, you know, in hundreds of people going home, and there was something big had happened in the quarry.